you are keep on dividing, this will terminate if this particular value, if it is equal to 1, means n by 2 power k is 1. So equation 5, it will terminate if n by 2 to the power k, if it is equal to 1. If n by 2 power k is equal to 1, so same thing exactly. It means that n equals to, it means that n equals to 2 to the power k. And if n is 2 to the power k, means you can say that 2 to the power k is n. It means that 2 to the power k is n. And 2 to the power k, this is equal to n. It means that k equals to log n base 2. Yes, 2 I should write and 2 I should put in subscript. Log n base 2. It means that equation 5 will terminate. This thing is clear to everyone? Whatever we are discussing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Puri class ko. Aman Verma ji, is it clear to you also?
Yes, sir.
It means that this is if k is equal to log n base 2. Now next time we will say you have to again see in equation 2. So in equation 2 you have 2 to the power k. If you put the values in equation 2, then you can find that in equation 2 you see this is 2 to the power k. So 2 to the power k is equal to how much?
So
You
2
see
to the
here.
power log n base
2
2.
to the, you see the highlighted portion here. You see this green color equation. 2 to the power k is equal to how much? किसके बराबर है?
N, sir, N.
Is it visible or not? It
Yes,
means
sir.
that
Yes, sir.
at the place of 2 to the power k, what will you write?
N.
N. So then you can say that the same Tn, it is equal to, Tn is equal to 2 to the power k is n. N into, and now when you terminated, so this n into, when you terminated, then k was how much? Log n base 2.
Log
So
n
this will
base.
be equal to, this is log n base 2. This is log n base 2. So you can say plus c, you can keep. C is a constant. It means that now your equation is this one. I am increasing the size of the equation. चलिए 36 कर लिया. It means that if you solve the recurrence, then you will come to a conclusion that Tn will be equal to n into log n base 2 plus c. So now you have two functions. Your first function is this n log n base 2, and your second function is constant. So what will be the order of Tn?
N log
N log
n
n.
base
It
2.
means that you can say that order of function Tn is equal to big O of n into log n base 2. Log n base 2. Log n base 2. So this is the order of function Tn. Any confusion in this solution?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure, no confusion. कोई पहले बोल रहा था कि डाउट है. Now doubt is clear.
Yes, sir.
Megha Singh,
Yes.
no
sir.
confusion. Abhijit, you are having some confusion.
No, sir, I was getting that equation only earlier.
So absolutely clear.
Yes, sir.
चलिए. So I said that solving recurrences, Abhijit Vishwakarma ji.
Yes, sir.
I said that for solving recurrences, how many methods you can use?
3 methods.
So first method was substitution method. Second method was
Constructing tree method.
Constructing tree method. And third method was
Master's theorem.
Master's theorem. So constructing tree, I will discuss on later, but let's first now complete the Master's theorem method. Let's see Master's theorem method. So in Master's theorem, you see, if you are not using Master's theorem, then maybe many problems you may not solve. Or you are trying to solve many problems using other methods like substitution method or by using tree construction method. So at many places you will be confused that what to do next. But this Master's theorem, it has just 3 rules. And for finding the order of any mathematical function or any recurrence, just you have to remember these 3 rules, and one of these 3 rules will be applicable for solving any recurrence. You don't need to go beyond these 3 rules. This is why we say it as Masters, because these 3 rules are master for all solving recurrences. Any kind of recurrence if you give, any kind of mathematical function is given, just you should remember these 3 rules. You can solve any question, any problem. So let us see what the rules are. Let us see what the rules are. एक बार चेक कर ले कहां पर है हमारे पास. Not this. So now screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So when you are solving any recurrence using Master's theorem, so your master equation will be Tn equals to A into T. This is your master equation. Tn equals to A into Tn by B plus Fn. This means any recurrence if you are representing in the form of mathematical function. So any recurrence can be represented by this function Tn equals to A into Tn by B plus C plus Fn. This is your equation number 1. So in this equation 1, what are different things? Let's try to know from you that Ruchi Dev, in this equation, what are different symbols that we have used? What is A, what is B, what is N, what is Fn? Ruchi Dev.
Fn can be a function. A and B can be a number.
A and B can be a number. You see the A and B, these are the constants.
Constant.
This one is B, and this B you can say number se better isko constant boliye. A and B are the constants, so A is multiplicable constants. This is A into. You say A into Tn by B, and B is the dividing constant. And what is Fn? What is Fn?
Fn can be a function given
Any
equation.
function.
Any
Fn
function.
is any function of n. So here you have constant a and b. A is the multiplicable constant, b is this is dividing constant, and Fn is the function. Like if I say Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn, then what is A here? Ruchidev, what is B here? Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn.
2Tn.
What is A? What is B? What is Fn?
So A will be 2.
Yeah.
And second part, what you said, I not able to catch up with you.
Tn equals to 2Tn by 2
2Tn
plus C into n.
2Tn by 2 plus Cn.
Yeah. So what is A? What is B? What is Fn?
What is Fn? So A is my 2.
Yeah.
We already have n. B is 2. And
Yeah.
last one is Cn. So Cn
Yeah,
is
Cn.
the constant. Cn is the constant.
So what is Cn here? A is 2, B is 2. And what is the value of Fn here?
Sir, Fn can be a function, but instead of that, we are given a constant.
So Cn, so Fn is equal to C here.
No, can be.
हर्षवर्धन जी आप बताइए. Tn equals to 2Tn. It's very tough question that I am asking you. 1 lakh rupees. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Fn plus Cn. So what is A here? What is B here? What is Fn here? हर्षवर्धन जी जल्दी बोलिए.
A is 2, B is 2, and Fn is Cn.
Very good. So A is 2, B is 2, and Ruchi Dev, A is 2, B is 2, and Fn is equal to Cn. Fn is not equal to C, Fn will be equal to Cn.
Yeah.
ये इसको हमको क्लोज कर लेने वाले. This two I have written. Just wait. Yeah, so now we just described this one, that Tn equals to A Tn by B plus Fn, and we have seen it with the help of example that if Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Fn, then what will be A, what will be B, what will be Fn? And if I say that Tn equals to 2Tn by 3 plus Cn square, Diksha Singh, Tn equals to 2Tn by 3 plus Cn square. What is A, what is B, what is Fn?
Sir, A and B are constants.
Which values? Tn
A
equals
is
to
3.
2Tn by 3 plus
2.
Cn square. A is 3, B
A
is
is
2,
2. A is 2. B is 3.
A. And Fn equal to? Fn equals to? My God. Very tough question. Aman Verma ji, Tn equals to 2Tn by 3 plus Cn square. आप सब लोग
Sir, A
आप हाँ बोलिए.
sir, A is equal to 2, B
हाँ.
is equal to 3, and Fn is equal to Cn square.
That's all. So now you see, now in this equation 1, this is equation 1, what we are trying to do, we are trying to divide a problem of size n into A subproblems. What we are doing in equation 1? In equation 1, we are trying to solve a problem which is of size n, and we are dividing this into A subproblems. Number of subproblems is A, where size of each subproblem is n by b. I am repeating again. In our equation 1, we are trying to solve a problem of what size? Pragati Misra. We are trying to solve a problem of what size? A problem of size n by dividing it into A subproblems. And size of each subproblem will be n by b. Now, Pragati Misra, my question is that if I say that Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus C, 2Tn by 2 plus C, then what is the size of the problem? What is the size of each subproblem and how many subproblems? Tn equals to 2Tn by 3 plus C.
The two subproblems and size of each problem is n by 2.
So size of each problem is n by 2, and how many subproblems? Two subproblems. And what is the size of your problem?
Sir, n.
Your size of the problem is n.
N, yes, sir.
Absolutely right. And if I say Tn equals to 2Tn by 5 plus C, I am saying Tn equals to, I am writing just here, Tn equals to 2Tn by 5 plus C. Tn equals to 2 into, this is Tn by 5 plus C. Now, what is size of problem? How many subproblems and what will be size of each problem?
So number of subproblems 2, size of each subproblem n by 5, and the total problems n.
Very good. So now this was the general equation, and if you are like, if any one equation is given, Tn equals to 2Tn by 3 plus C, Tn equals to 4Tn by 5 plus Cn square, Tn equals to 3Tn by 7 plus Cn cube, any problem is given. So any problem, any recurrence problem can be represented by this equation or not, Pragati Misra? Can we represent any recurrence relation in this form or not?
Yes, sir.
It means that just if you know these three solutions, means for any problem that is representing any recurrence is there. So these three conditions will exist. This is condition 1, either condition 1 will exist. ये ध्यान से देखिएगा, because this is master's theorem. Just on the basis of these three conditions, you can solve any recurrence. This is condition 2, second condition, and this is condition 3. This is condition 3, third condition. Now, Harsh Govind ji, can you read the first equation, first condition?
Yes, sir. If Fn is equal to big O of n to the power log A base B minus epsilon, then Fn is equal to theta of n to the power log A to the base B, where epsilon is greater than 0.
So you see, first equation, we said that, I'm repeating again. Just these three things you need to remember. At one place, minus epsilon is there. At another place, in equation 2, what is the value of epsilon? In second
0.
condition. Harsh Govindji, in second condition, what is the value of epsilon?
0, sir.
0. So in the first condition, epsilon is subtracted. It is minus epsilon. In second condition, epsilon is 0. And in third condition, what are you doing with epsilon?
Addition.
You are addition. So just these three things you are doing for everyone. You are doing three things, three conditions. First condition, you are going for minus of epsilon. In second condition, you are going for addition of epsilon. Sorry, in second condition, epsilon is 0. And in third condition, you are adding epsilon. Aditi, Atulya, these three conditions, are you able to little understand? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Now again we will see these equations. So equation 1 says that if any function fn, it is of order big O n power log a base b minus epsilon, then the order of this function fn it will be, then the order of this function fn will be theta of n power log a base b, where epsilon is greater than 0. And second equation is, ये जिसको बोले हैं ये Aditi, Atulya. Now you read the second equation. What is second equation?
So the second equation says.
Second equation means you can say this is second condition. You can say first one is condition 1, second one is condition 2. So what is the second condition?
So the second condition says if fn is equal to theta.
If fn is equal to theta
of n to the power.
लग रहा है आप चश्मा पहनती हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलिए साइज थोड़ा बढ़ा दिया.
So if fn is equal to theta n to the power log a base b, then tn
then
is equal
order of fn equal to,
then order of fn is equal to theta n log a base b into log n.
Power log a base b into log n. कोई और भी पढ़ दे. मुझे लग रहा है कि कोई किसी और से भी पढ़वा दे. So yes, Sanjay, आप पढ़िए जरा. Equation condition 2.
So condition 2, if fn be any function, then theta of n power log a base b, then order of fn will be tn is equal to theta of n power log a base b into log n.
Yeah, means if any function, if it is equal to theta, if any function fn equals to theta of n power log a base b, then the order of your recurrence, Tn is representing recurrence. Tn is representing recurrence. So the order of recurrence Tn will be equal to theta of n power log a base b into log n. And please do not forget, in each equation we are using this fn. याद रखिए, please remember. So fn, it is the part of your recurrence. Your recurrence is, fn is not the recurrence. Fn is a sub part of recurrence. And what is your recurrence here? Suya Sanjay ji, what is your recurrence?
So here, Tn is equal to
A Tn by B plus Fn. So remember,
yes, sir.
In each of these three conditions, in condition 2 also, your recurrence is Tn. This is why your order should be for the recurrence. And Fn is just in Tn, you have written Tn equals to A into Tn by B plus Fn. So there, this is plus Fn. Fn is that just plus Fn. Now you read third equation, and remember in second condition, what is epsilon here? So
Zero,
yes,
sir.
Sanjay ji. So remember, in second condition, epsilon is 0. Epsilon is 0. First condition, epsilon was greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
And first and third condition, epsilon was greater than 0, and you subtracted that epsilon.
Yes, sir.
Now see this third condition.
If
You
fn
read the
be
third
any
condition.
function, if
Yeah.
fn be any function, then fn is equal to ohm n of log a base b plus epsilon, then order of recurrence tn is equal to theta of fn, where epsilon is greater than 0.
थोड़ा सा बहुत मजा नहीं आया आपके पढ़ने में, किसी और का हेल्प ले लें.
Sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, what is epsilon and where is it in equation
अभी
1?
आएगा. We will see the example.
Okay, okay.
We will see an example that what you will compute epsilon. ये ध्यान रखिए, आप epsilon compute करेंगे, estimate करेंगे epsilon. And sometimes you will add epsilon, sometimes you will subtract epsilon, and sometimes you will estimate that the value of epsilon is 0. Is it clear, Has Govind
Yes,
ji?
sir. Yes, sir, got it.
तो आप equation 3 आप ही पढ़ दीजिए.
Sure, sir. If fn is equal to ohm of n to the power log a base b plus epsilon, then Tn is equal to theta of Fn, where epsilon is greater than 0.
Yeah, so in any recurrence, if the function Fn is equal to ohm of n power log a base b plus epsilon, then order of recurrence Tn, it will be equal to theta of Fn. That's all. So 3 orders you are getting. For order of Tn, you are getting 3 orders. In first case, what is your order? Your order is theta of n power log a base b. In second case, your order is order of recurrence Tn, it is equal to theta of n power log a base b into log n. And in third case, order of your recurrence Tn, it is equal to theta of Fn. Just these 3 cases you remember. You have 3 orders. First order, order of recurrence Tn equals to theta of n power log a base b. And second condition, order of recurrence Tn will be equal to theta of n power log a base b into log n. And in third case, Tn equals to order of recurrence Tn equals to theta of Fn. Now my question is that these 3 equations I am giving in front of you. Yesterday we solved the recurrence Tn equals to Tn by 2 plus c. So which particular condition was true there? Tn equals to Tn by 2 plus c. Which particular condition was true there? Simple question. Raise your hands. कितने लोग बता सकते हैं? Tn equals to Tn by 2 plus c. Which condition was true there? Yes. Condition 1 was true, condition 2 was true, condition 3 was true. Which condition was true there? Any guess? Any reply? कोई नहीं बता पा रहा है. Yesterday we solved another recurrence Tn equals to Tn by 2 plus. Guess है कि क्या है? How you say first?
Guess, sir, guess. Good guess.
Guess means क्या? Coin रखा है आपने अपने पास?
No, sir.
Coin उछाला. पहली बार coin उछाला, head आ गया. तो first answer is correct. दूसरी बार उछाला, फिर हेड आ गया तो सेकंड इज करेक्ट, अदरवाइज थर्ड कंडीशन इज करेक्ट. Any guess? Although your answer is correct, but any guess?
सर आपने पहला क्वेश्चन दिया तो लगा कि पहला आप फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट कीजिएगा.
ये तो गड़बड़ वाला गेस हो गया भाई. ये तो गड़बड़ वाला गेस हो गया. कोई और बताए? आ जाए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn cube. अब बताइए. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn cube. This time guess.
सर
Abhay Tiwari ji, this time you guess. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn cube. This time you guess which out of these three conditions, which condition will be true? Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. Abhay Tiwari.
Third one.
Very good यार. कैसे guess कर लिया?
So A and B is 2. So A और B 2 है तो log of 2 1 हो जाएगा.
Yeah. चलिए, anyway your guess is correct. Third, I am giving you Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn. ये भी कल आप लोगों ने किया था. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn. कौन guess करेगा इस बार? आदित्य राज. Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn. Which condition will be true? Guess मारो. सिक्का उछालो. कॉइन है कि नहीं है? नहीं है तो वो पापा जी से मांग लो कि पापा जरा वो 2 रुपए वाला एक कॉइन दे दीजिए. क्योंकि क्लास में उछालना है. सर आंसर पूछ रहे हैं. उछालना है
सर
कॉइन.
सेकंड.
Very good. So how you guessed it?
Sir, here Fn is equal to n, and if we compare the second equation, theta of
क्या
n
आपका
to the
ऑर्डर
power.
क्या आया था? Tn equals to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn. What was the order? कल निकाला था आपने ना?
Today only, no?
Yeah, today we solved it just in the starting of the
Yes,
class.
sir.
So what was the order?
N into log n base 2.
So since your order was n into log n, so you thought that condition 2 is there where we are multiplying log n. Otherwise here it is n power log a base b. Here it is log n is not multiplied. So condition, yeah, your answer is correct. Now let's see this example. ये जरा आप लोग ये एग्जांपल लिख लीजिए आज बस. आज ये एग्जांपल तीनों केस लिख लीजिए. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. आज लिख लीजिए बस इसको. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व इट. फर्स्ट, दिस इज फर्स्ट वन, एग्जांपल 1. दिस वन इज एग्जांपल 2 एंड दिस वन इज एग्जांपल 3. हमने लिख दिया है कौन किस केस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, लेकिन प्रूव करेंगे ये क्यों. जस्ट नोट डाउन द example today, not the solution. Solution we will see in the next lecture. Yes, you note down these 3 questions. Because if I give you solution today, then you will get confused. Just you remember these things. Just you remember 3 conditions that I described above. At one place you are adding epsilon, at other place epsilon was 0, and third condition, sorry, first condition you are subtracting epsilon. Yeah. Second condition you are adding epsilon, and second condition epsilon was 0, and third condition you are adding epsilon. Now just note down these 3 questions. Example, 3 questions of this example. क्वेश्चंस लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
श्योर सबने लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
These three questions are solved in TH Corman. So TH Corman book is available soft copy or it is not available?
It is available, sir.
Sure,
Available.
is it available only? I think
Yes,
only
sir,
for
yes.
Harsh Govind and Abhijit it is available. For others like Anmol Amrit, TH Corman book soft copy, is it available for you also?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So these three questions are solved there. Although I will solve it in the next class, but I will suggest to you that try to see how these three conditions, how, like I have mentioned here in the question itself that first question is related to case 1. Second question is related to case 2. Case 2 means condition 2. And third question is related to case 3 means condition 3. ये लिख दिया है ना हमने? If TH Corman book is available for you also, then I will suggest that you open the TH Corman book and search these three questions. Anupriya, for you also the book is available?
Yes, sir.
So will you search the answer of these three questions?
Sir,
आपके यहाँ
I'm
क्लास
not able to.
में भी टाइम कहाँ है? पढ़ने के लिए टाइम कहाँ है? अरुंधति मुखर्जी, what about you? Will you
Yes, sir, I
search
will,
the answer
sir.
of these three questions? ये अनुप्रिया ने तो धीमी आवाज में बता दिया, इस तरह हमारे पास टाइम थोड़ी है पढ़ने का.
Yes, sir, I will.
So all of you, it's not only Anupriya or Arundhati, it is all of you. You find the answer of these three questions. And I will like to know from you. Ameya Subhas.
Yes, sir.
So you can search these three solution of these three questions in TH Corman book.
Yes, sir.
So everyone, yeah, thank you, Ameya. So everyone, please search these three questions in TH Corman book. And next lecture, maybe I will have next lecture on Friday. So Friday we will discuss these three problems and we will end module 1. So this is enough for
Okay,
today.
sir.
Any query for Harsh Govind also, you also, everyone. You know
Sure,
why?
sure.
Why I'm asking that you search the question you in TH Corman book. You know why I'm asking this question to everyone? Harsh Govindji.
For detailed explanation, sir.
Many times what happens that the students, they are just going through lecture notes and some materials available on the internet. So even they don't know the standard books of that particular course. I remember I was conducting Viva at University of Allahabad, JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technology. I just, for joke, I asked them that, okay, for design analysis of algorithm, which book you are following? And you will not believe it. First 7 to 8 students, they came for Viva one after another, and no one could tell them which book they followed. Neither Harvard Sahni, not TH Corman, nor Baluja, no, not any book. They were simply blank. Anyway, this much is enough
Sir, I
for
am
today.
following that book from my second semester.
Which book?
Sir, TH Corman.
Good, that's a good book. Harvard and Sahni also, it's a good book, but little hard. Or one Bentley, Brasley or Bentley book is there, third down. So that is also very good book. Anyway, so this much is enough for today. Now let me conduct the attendance, and after that I will leave the class. This is your attendance for today. You can see it. And let's hope that in the next lecture, before the starting of next lecture, you will have gone through that TH Corman book and these three problems that you have written. You will have searched the answer of these three problems in the TH Corman book. Thank you very much for this class. Namaskar.